is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with another video. And today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be different ways that you can decorate your bun. So if you would like to see these different looks, then just keep on watching. Guys, so that is going to conclude this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.